Am I audible? Hello? Hello? आवाज येतोय का? हेलो?
यस मैम आ रही है.
आ रही है. Okay. So in the 126 we have seen Dr. Haniman has given in the 125 कौन सा हुआ अपना, हाँ 125, he has given some dietary instructions कि what the prover should take and should not during the whole process of drug proving. So he should not take spices, he should not take any green vegetables, salads, herbs, soups, and all the stimulating drinks. These should be avoided. Now the 126. Pooja Sherke, read 126.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
The person who is proving the medicine must be preeminently trustworthy and consequenceless, and during the whole time of the experiment avoid all over exertion of
Exertion.
mind and body, all sorts of dissipation and disturbing passions. He should have no urgent business to distract his attention. He must devote himself to careful self-observation and not be disturbed while so engaged. His body must be in what is for him a good state of health, and he must possess a sufficient amount of intelligence to be able to express and describe his sensation in accurate terms.
Yes, thank you. So here again he has given कि how the prover should be and how the क्या करना है prover ने और क्या नहीं करना है. A person who is proving the medicine must be preeminently, he should have the genuineness and he should be trustworthy, यानी वो विश्वासु होना चाहिए. He should be conscious, यानी उसको पता होना चाहिए कि हाँ we are doing the drug proving, so he should be alert during the whole time of experiment. And he should avoid all overexertion, यानी mentally or physically, mind and body, all sorts of dissipation and disturbing passions, यानी जो उसको distract करेगा from this proving, ये सब चीजें उसने avoid करनी चाहिए. He should have no urgent business to distract his attention, so he should be at least 10 to 15. He should not have any बिजनेस कॉल, या फिर जो भी वो काम करता है वो उसको उसमें उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं चाहिए, अदरवाइज दिस विल डिस्ट्रैक्ट हिज अटेंशन फ्रॉम द प्रूविंग. ही मस्ट डिवोट हिमसेल्फ टू केयरफुल सेल्फ ऑब्जर्वेशन, जो भी उसको सिम्टम्स आ रहे हैं, साइंस आ रहे हैं, उसमें कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना चाहिए. ही शुड नॉट डिस्टर्ब, विल सो एंगेज, अगर वो दूसरे बातों में एंगेज रहा, so the mind will get diverted and you will not get the pure effect of the medicine. Suppose वो कोई business कर रहा है या job कर रहा है and suddenly if he is having some emergency during the proving, and if he is doing the work on the laptop or by going outside meeting the people, and if some problem is there while talking, then the mental condition will get defer, यानी जो आपको मेंटल्स वो मेडिसिन से जो मिलेंगे it will get mingled with the depending on the situation. यानी वो अगर वो मेडिसिन अगर पल्सिटिला आप प्रूव कर रहे हो उस पे, the symptoms are coming, but suddenly if he is having some distraction from his business and during the work, अगर वो दूसरे आदमी पे अगर वो इरिटेबल हो जाता है या चिढ़ता है या जो कुछ भी उसमें प्रॉब्लम आते हैं, सो पल्सेटिला का जो रिएक्शन रहेगा वो डिफरेंट रहेगा, वो पेशेंट का रिएक्शन डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट सिचुएशन डिफरेंट रहेगा, एंड ऑल द थिंग्स विल गेट मिंगल्ड, उसकी मेंटल जो स्टेट है वो पूरी चेंज हो जाएगी एंड यू विल नॉट गेट द प्योर इफेक्ट ऑफ दैट पल्सेटिला. एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही सेड दैट कि he should not be disturbed by dissipation, he should not be disturbed by any passion or not any urgent work. He should be fully devotee, he should be a person who is concentrating only on the proving. He must be a devote himself for the careful observation and not disturb or should not be engaged by any other work. His body must be in is what for good स्टेट ऑफ हेल्थ, यानी उसने सिर्फ वो मेडिसिन लेनी चाहिए और अच्छा अच्छा खाना चाहिए. ही शुड नॉट गेट डिस्टर्ब बाय एनी अदर थिंग. ही मस्ट possess a sufficient amount of intelligence to be able to express and describe his sensation and accurate terms. जैसे ही उसको सिम्टम्स आते हैं, he should be in that mental level कि वो अच्छी तरह से फिजिशियन को बता सके कि मुझे क्या हो रहा है. So that much IQ he should have, so that he will express, he can describe all the sensations in accurate term कि मुझे burning pain हो रहा है, या मुझे cutting sensation है, या मुझे aching type of pain है. So all these things he should be properly describe to the physician. इतना उसमें intelligence होना चाहिए. So what things required regarding the prover? He should be trustworthy, he should be conscious, he should be concentrated only in the proving process. ये सब हो गया क्या होना चाहिए. और he should be sufficiently intelligent so that he can express, he can describe all his sensation and functions in accurate terms. ये चार चीजें उसमें होनी चाहिए. अब उसने क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? So he should not do any urgent business work. He should not do any overexertion related to the mind or related to the body. Third thing, he should be away from, he should keep all the things which will disturb his target, that is his passions and his dissipation. So these are the do's and don'ts regarding that prover. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Why he should be trustworthy?
मग तो खरे खरे सिम्पटम्स सांगेल.
बरोबर आहे. आणि
उगाच
ट्रस्टवर्दी नसेल, खोटं बोलायची त्याला सवय असेल, तर आपल्याला प्युअर इफेक्ट ऑफ दॅट मेडिसिन किंवा त्याचं जेन्युइननेस आपल्याला कळणार नाही. Now the 127. The medicine must be tested on both male and females in order also to reveal the alterations of health they produce in the sexual sphere. So we are proving the medicine on both gender, male and female, because the genital organs are different, reproductive system is different, and how that medicine is affecting, that we should know, and hence we are proving it on both genders. Now the 128. Komal, read.
Yes, ma'am. The most recent observations have shown that medicinal substances which taken in their crude state by the experiment for the purpose of testing their peculiar effect do not exhibit nearly the full amount of powers that lie hidden in them, which they do when they are taken for the same object in high dilution, potentized by proper trituration and succussion, by which simple operations the powers which in their crude state lay hidden and as it were dormant, are developed and roused into activity to an incredible extent. In this manner, we now find it best to investigate the medicinal power even of such substances as are deemed weak and
When
together
plan and the plan
and we adopt is to given to the experiment
Hmm.
on an empty stomach daily for from 4 to 6 every small globules
Hmm.
of the 13
Hmm.
potency of such substances moistened with a little water or dissolved in more or less water and thoroughly mixed, and let him continue this for several days.
आपण आधी बघितली द मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द ड्रग. त्याच्यानंतर आपण बघितलं हाऊ द प्रूव्हर शुड बी, आणि प्रूव्हरनी काय केलं पाहिजे, काय नाही केलं पाहिजे. त्याच्यानंतर आपण बघितलं द प्रूव्हिंग शुड बी डन ऑन बोथ द जेंडर्स, because of the anatomical structure is different, psychological spheres are different, and certain diseases are specific for the male and female, and hence the spheres are different, and hence we are proving it on the male and female. Now we will see how this medicinal substance, or why this medicinal substance should be potentized. The most recent observation have shown that the medicinal substances, when taken in a crude state by the experimenter, yani by the prover, for the process of proving, their peculiar effect do not exhibit. So here he has compared why the medicine should not be given in the crude form, but why it should be given in the potentized form. So step by step we are moving towards the one step ahead for the potentization, yani for the proving. It will not exhibit the full amount of its power that lie hidden in them, which they do when they are taken in the same object in a high dilution potentization. यानी crude इसमें आप जब medicine prover को दोगे, so उसको जो hidden power है, it will not act. It will act only superficially on the body of that prover. So if you want to take out all the symptoms from that medicine, तो उसकी पावर भी उसकी उतनी एग्जिबिट होनी चाहिए. एंड फॉर दैट वी आर डूइंग पोटेंटाइजेशन आइदर बाय ट्राइचुरेशन और बाय सकेशन, by which the simple operation, यानी ये दो operations करने के बाद, if it is a solid state we are doing trituration, if it is in a liquid state we are doing the succussion. By all these simple operation क्या होगा, the power which is present in the crude state which is hidden थी वो अभी dormant हो जाएगी, it will get activated, it will develop and rose into the activity in the incredible extent. यानी जो भी पावर उसकी हिडन थी इन द क्रूड स्टेट में, वर इट नाउ बिकेम एक्टिवेटेड ओनली बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ potentization. In this manner, we now find the best to investigate the medicinal power even of such substance are deemed weak. जो substances, जो medicinal substances weak है, वो भी इसमें activate हो जाएंगे. उसका जो alkaloid है, it will come out and it will show its activity. And the plane we adopt to give to the experimental on an empty stomach daily form 4 to 6 small globules of 30th potency of each substance. So by doing the potentization, जो weak medicine substances है वो भी activate हो जाएंगे. जो other medicines है which are medium or which are stronger, उसमें जो alkaloids है which are present hidden in the crude form, by doing the potentization they become activated. And in this way, when you are giving the potency of that particular substance, drug substance, either you can give it in the by dissolving it in the water डायरेक्टली, आप जूस को वो मिक्स करके दे सकते हो, या फिर जैसे डिपेंडिंग अपॉन यूर ड्रग सब्सटेंस, इंडिजीनियस है तो फ्रेश दो, एक्सॉटिक है तो पाउडर फॉर्म में दो, सॉल्ट एंड गम है तो आप पानी में मिला के दो, या ड्राई है तो आप सैक्लैक में मिला के दे सकते हो. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन गिव इट इन एनी वे बट by the potentization करके. Either you can give the 30th potency, you can give the 6x potency, you can give the 12x potency, you can give it in a globule form or you can give it in the liquid form. Moisten with the little water or dissolve it in the more or less water, but it should be thoroughly mixed. You can give it by the empty stomach, you can give 4 to 6 globules. So it should be continue for the several week, यानी जब तक उसको फर्स्ट सिम्टम नहीं आता है प्रूवर को, तब तक हमको वो मेडिसिन उसको देनी है. सो दीज आर ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट वी हैव सीन फॉर द प्रूविंग. So it should not, the medicine should not be substituted, that we have seen in the 120, because the to get the pure effect, the accurate knowledge हमको मिलनी चाहिए, इसलिए हमको ना मेडिसिन सब्सटीट्यूट करनी है पेशेंट में, ना हमको मेडिसिन सब्सटीट्यूट करनी है ड्यूरिंग द प्रूविंग. दैट वी हैव सीन इन द 120. In the 121 we have seen regarding the heroic medicines. The heroic medicines we are giving in a small doses. And the second point that we have seen in the aphorism number 121, that is the some points for the prover. He should not be sick person, that is he should be free from disease, he should be delicate, he should be irritable, and he should be sensitive. In the 122 we have seen that by doing the drug proving we are getting the purity, genuineness of that medicine, we are getting the full energy of that medicine. In the 123 we have seen that how the medicine should be or the drug should be. So drug should be simple, it should be unadulterated form. At the same time, we have seen the methods of giving the drugs to the prover. So 4 types we have seen: indigenous, exotic, dry or the weak plant or the herbs, and 4th one is the salts and gums. In the 124 we have seen that from 124 and 125 we have seen that what a dietary regulation should be maintained by the prover. He should be avoid certain things so that we'll get the proper genuineness of medicine, both genders we are proving, and why we are doing the potentizations. So all these points we have completed today. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now it's a time for your Matna Medica lecture. So I will stop here. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Otherwise, you can leave the meeting and you can join for the HMM lecture. Who will take the attendance today? as the Tejaswini and Deepak both are absent. Urvi,
Yes, ma'am.
please take today's attendance.
मॅम मग 2 मिनिटं थांबा ना, स्क्रीनशॉट नाही काढली.
हाँ, थांबते मी. Today 20 participants are present
येस मॅम.
and all will wait for the attendance. Done?
मॅम 1 मिनिट.
हाँ.
हो मॅम झालं.
Okay. Now you can leave and attend your HMM lecture. Any doubt in these aphorisms?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
So
ma'am.
we will meet tomorrow with the same drug proving topic. Bye bye.